Welcome to this video, guys. I'll teach you how you can make $10,000, but we're also going to try and make $10,000 in the next few hours or more.
Don't try.
Today.
Don't try, just do it.
Just do it! But we're going to basically pick a very hot offer that might convert really high. That's what hot offer means.
Yep.
And then we're going to promote it with a site called Plug Rush. And there's a lot of them. We're going to learn everything about adult marketing here, guys, in this video. We are going to make some flipping money and teach you how to make some flipping money, which is more important. So stay tuned because this can change your life. We're going to make some flipping money!
Demonetized.
Let's go. Alright guys, so this is Crack Revenue right here, and we're going to pick an offer to promote, as you can very well see. And right off the bat, top offers is what you want to do right here, okay? So here we got Jerkmate. That's weird. We got My Free Cams. That's weird. We got Sex Emulator. That's really weird.
I want
And-
to experience that sex emulator.
Trust me, you don't want to.
How would
You know
you
what
know?
it is.
I don't know, bro.
Exactly.
Royal Cams is the next one, so we're going to decide between these. And from what I see, let's do not a $2 payout. We're going to do something pretty high payout, okay? So we're going to do like maybe this one or this one, okay? What do you want to do, Matt?
Simulation.
The emulator one?
The simulator, yeah.
Okay. So that pays $50.
Plus it's $50, yeah, so I mean. You know.
So yeah, you could spend quite a bit. It's all about targeting. It's about how you target people, and it needs to be a good offer. So we're just gonna try this one and blow it up to proportions, and hopefully make 10K plus.
Okay, so let me see how many.
And our budget's gonna be like 5K for this. We'll talk about it more in the Plug Rush setup here, but we're gonna do this one right here. We need to blur some stuff when we click on this, so we'll blur that out. Okay, yeah. So your link is right here. You just get your link, guys, and you're all set. Okay. That's what we're going to do. We just get the link, a direct link. We're not doing any funnels or any pre-sale pages or anything. And look, it tells you exactly top performing countries are right there. So that's how we're going to run it. So this is Chaturbate, another offer we could do. Its payout isn't crazy high as far as we know because it's just a rev share, but it's lifetime forever payout.
Yeah.
It's pretty good, but it's only 15%. But okay, so we could promote this. We might not. We might do it. There's another offer back here. Royal Cams, it's another cam offer.
Oh, yeah, that's what I was talking about. Yeah, like Royal Cam, pretty much.
Oh, Royal Cam. There was Chaturbate, then there's Royal Cams apparently, and then there is one called My Free Cams right here. That one pays $2. This one actually looks like it actually has the highest EPC. We actually should run with this one. I think we're going to run with this one. It has the highest EPC, 0.02, okay? And the traffic we're going to be getting is like 0.0000 something. Like, it's very low, so our profit margin should be there. So that's all we got to do, just run it to this one. It doesn't matter the payout, it just matters that we make a higher EPC, which is earnings per click. So we're going to run with My Free Cams. What do you think, Nat?
Let's do this.
All right, let's go. Yo, what's up, guys? We are going to build the campaign right now. We're going to put $10,000 into this campaign. We got $12,000 right here, and here we go. So let's name it My Free
Boobies!
We're going to target adult for sure. We could do mainstream. We're going to do desktop. That's usually the best. Then we're going to do pause.
Really?
Yeah.
Mobile?
And then here's our affiliate link right here. Boom.
I usually do everything on mobile.
Then we're going to do quick select of the high quality traffic regions of the world. And actually, we're just going to leave it. Yeah. No, literally, these are. Yeah, I've done this before, and this is how you do it. Okay, and you can literally flip cash so quick. Okay, so we do that right there. We go down. I can't see past that, so let's see. Okay, that's good like that. But we need to do accelerated spending. Okay, so we don't want it to be distributed throughout the day. We want it to be super approved quick and spend the money like fast. One visit per 24 hours is good. If we update over here, we'll see something. Okay, let's see. Oh, spend immediately right there. And the total traffic we have. We're going to do a cost per click of less than how much the offer pays out for sure. Our budget's going to be 10K. And we're actually just going to leave it at the suggested cost per click. And our EPC, it can be very common that the EPC we get from our offers higher than the one it even says over on Crack Revenue. It can be extremely higher than that, okay? So this is how we build it. Now we press approve. Boom, let's go. Hey guys, what's up? So this right here is a list we have for you in this section of the video. A whole list of traffic sources you can use to make money with adult marketing. These are huge traffic sources. They're basically like Facebook for for adult marketing. Okay, you can make a lot of money with just one of these. So just pick one. We're going to talk about them here. This right here is Traffic Junkie, one of the biggest by far. They own this site right there, and yeah,
I was actually on it last night, and the reason why was to study. Okay, not to do anything.
Yes.
Only to study, nothing
only
that has
to
to
spy
do with
on ad campaigns.
you know,
right?
midget porn or none of that. No, just to watch.
Literally, and they
learn.
They get like 100 million like views per day.
That's a lot of people.
Yeah.
That's a lot of humans.
Imagine if you can sell to 1,000 of those people, which
That'd
is
be-
like
that's
very,
so
very
possible.
possible. You know
Yeah.
what I mean?
So this right here is ExoClick, and they're a massive platform as well.
Billion, bro.
Next,
That's a lot of people.
Traffic Factory. So tell us about Traffic Factory. It's a very good traffic source, and in fact, it's actually mainly the site it uses and advertises with is called X Videos. Okay, so
Ooh.
that's like a huge site in Dolt. And if you wanted to advertise on that one, this is your site to go to.
There's 6 billion people on that site every
that's a lot.
freaking day.
I've never used that one. But
That's crazy.
So the next one is called Arrow Advertising. This one's great because they have a lot of different types of ads you can do, like pop under ads or like mobile ads. Like they have a bunch of different things you can look at. So
Juicy ads.
Yeah, guys, this is a juicy network right here. Just kidding. It's actually one of the smaller ones networks. They have mainly pop under ads. They do have some banner ad targeting, but I've only used them for the pop under ads. They don't have so many placements that it's crazy, and they're not the biggest site out there, but they're kind of an underground network. Okay,
it
So
still
they're pretty
works
good.
though. It's still people going to these.
it is
sites,
still people on
yeah.
it. Yeah.
Like, if you guys think about how many people are going online at night and going towards, and that these ads are getting in front of, it's
At night?
insane the amount of people that
At
are
night.
that these ads are getting shown to on the daily.
Literally, especially worldwide. It's not just one country, bro. It's like everywhere.
Traffic Force.
Yeah, guys, Traffic Force right here. Very good quality network.
Very, very good.
They got some ad platform. This network right here has a lot of different ad formats. They are very, very juicy.
Okay, the next one, you guys, is called Zero Park. I've used this one a lot as well. Zero Park, in my opinion, has one of the best, like, easy to use interfaces.
I actually use Zero Park,
all of
too.
them. Some of them are kind of confusing, but yeah, Zero Park, it's really simple, really easy to set up. So,
Yeah,
Large
absolutely.
inventory and a fast campaign setup.
Okay, this right here. This right here is called Grand Slam Media. At Grand Slam Media, they're hiring right now, so go freaking get employed by them.
All right, I'm out.
And Grand Slam Media, I think they're kind of like members area traffic, like actual buyers inside these members areas of these different adult like memberships, and like you can advertise in front of those buyers. So it's really powerful. They're a smaller underground network as well. You can leverage them, but I recommend definitely Traffic Junkie. I recommend ExoClick. I recommend Traffic Factory, Plug Rush, Arrow Advertising, and Juicy Ads. Okay, those are the top ones for sure. Oh yeah, and Zero Park. But at the end of the day, the top two, Traffic Junkie and ExoClick.
Let's go! Let's go! No! Let's go!
Okay, guys, we're gonna head back and now check the earnings. Hopefully, the earnings are above 10K profit. What's up, guys? So we doubled our money. Let me refresh real quick.
Yeah!
Woo! Let's go, baby.
Yeah,
Look at
let's
this.
go.
So let's
go.
go. As you can see, $23,000, and as expected, I mean that's not super huge ROI. And when you put in 10K, you're
Yeah.
gonna. It's pretty much
That's a
expected.
lot of
Yeah.
people that saw it.
Can't wait.
That's just double money. So let's
To
go.
the cloud this week.
We're going to the car. Let's go. Okay, so yeah, guys, you could do it too. Literally, start your own campaigns. You don't need to copy exactly what we did. Literally, just find a hot offer, pick a great traffic source for adult, and it's so cheap that it's very easy to be profitable. And if you do a good funnel, you guys can crush it.
Yeah,
Okay.
you gotta have a good funnel too, but yeah.
Yeah. So share with your friends, like, comment, subscribe, and
Until next
peace out.
time.